What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video on a couple things. Firstly, I just want to start off by thanking everyone who's that was epic. But I just wanted to start off by thanking everyone who's been helping me out. You know, get my channel going, tips and tricks, all that good stuff. And I will be paying all this forward. I want to help people not only get, you know, maybe their channel started, but I also want to help people in just general knowledge of motorcycles. Because I mean, in essence, I mean, we're all learning. So, you know, some just know more than others. But I'd like to pass any information I have on to others to help them out. But anyways, second topic, I'd also like to thank everyone who's, you know, given me the positive feedback. Like, it's been crazy. So much positive feedback. I love it. Didn't expect it. I really didn't. I just was expecting people to say, you know, get this guy off of YouTube. You know, what is he doing on here? But anyways, so that was really good to see. You know, just so many good comments. People looking forward to my next video and all that good stuff. And also, as far as scheduling, I'd like to upload videos probably every Thursday or Friday, somewhere around that. Fridays are sometimes bad, but I'm gonna do my very best. So, what else? Oh yeah, on my R6 walk around video, I actually left the bike running so I could showcase the exhaust as part of the walk around, but I totally forgot because I'm an idiot. So anyways, so I'll be doing that now. But I really don't think you guys can hear it unless I'm in a very specific place and you're dumb. I wonder if I could use my teleporter. Sweet. Yeah. All I gotta do is count to 3 and then it'll teleport me to anywhere I want. 3, 2, 1. Come on, man. Just let me count down one time. Just give me the benefit of that. I mean, come on. That's all I want. I just want to count down. Make me happy here. Anyways, this'll work. Let's see. Crack the shield so you guys can hear it. Yeah. But I'm not gonna rev the nuts off of it like you see some guys do, because I like my motor on my bike. Yeah. Alright, enough revving for one day.